you need to start using end screens and cards on your videos so that it can increase your views and also increase your watch hours. So in this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to add end screens and cards to your videos. I'll try as much as possible to make this video very short. By the way, I want you to subscribe to this channel if you are new here, and also feel free to like this video for me as we get into the tutorial. Alright, so as you can see, I'm on my YouTube studio. Okay, so this is how we do the end screen. So you go to your content and you select one of your videos. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, we're gonna use this particular one. Okay, yes, so you selected this video. Okay, so once you open it, you come here. Hope you can see end screen. All right, you can see end screen, you can see cards. You understand? Yes, so we are going to do the end screen first. The end screen is the one that appears at the very end of a video. Okay, if you watch a YouTube video, you realize that at the end of the video, certain videos also displays for you to watch. Okay, yes, so that is what we are going to do here. So you click here on end screen. Once it opens, you come to elements. Okay, and then you go to video, and then you select choose specific video. Okay, you can also choose best for viewer. Okay, with this one, YouTube is automatically going to choose a video that suits the current video. You understand? Yeah, but we are going to choose a specific video. Okay, so you click on specific video, and then different videos on your channel are going to pop up for you to use. Okay, so you choose a video that you think your audience will like to watch. Okay, after watching the current video. You understand? Yes, so I think my audience would like to watch this particular video. Okay, so I'll choose this one. So as you can see, it is there. Okay, you also have the opportunity to choose another one. In fact, you can choose 4. That is the maximum. Okay, so let's choose another one. Go to choose a specific video. Let me pick this one. Okay, so I have 2 here. You understand? Yeah, so you can do it for about 4 times here. And there is also one good thing about the end screen is that there is also a subscribe feature there, where you can also add it as part of the end screen, so that in case you forgot to tell your audience or your viewers to subscribe, they can subscribe from there. You understand? Yeah, so yes, so this is it. You come back to elements, and as you can see, subscribe. Okay, so you click on subscribe, and then yes, you can see it here. Okay, you can either drag it here or drag it here. Okay, yeah, so this is how the subscribe also looks like. You understand? Yeah, so this is how to do the end screen. It's very, very simple. So after doing that, you just click on save, and then you are good to go. So the next thing we are going to do is cards. With the cards, it appears at the top of the screen. Okay, whilst you are watching. Okay, and it's usually used in making reference. Okay, so for instance, if I am talking about watch hours, I can say you can refer to this video here. Okay, where I talked about how to increase your watch hours. Okay, so once you do this, you see that the cards will be displayed at the top here for your viewer to see and click on it. And once your viewer clicks on it, you get a view, and also you get to increase your watch hours. Okay, so let's do the cards. Okay, so you go to cards. Yes, and then you are going to either select video, playlist, or channel. Okay, so one thing about the cards too is that you can put a video at the top. You can also put playlist at the top there. Okay, so for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to use video. Okay, so you go to video, and then you select any video you want to appear at the top. Okay, so let's select the first one. I hope you can see. Yes, so this is how the cards look like, you understand? Okay, then you can add another one. In fact, you can add multiple. Okay, I think cards are even uncountable. You can add as much as you want. Okay, so we've added one here. Okay, so let's try and add another one again. Okay, so let's add this particular video. Okay, so we want to put it here on the the second minute, meaning when the video plays to the second minute, we are going to see the card displayed there. Okay, let's add a third one. Let me choose this particular video. Okay, yeah, so you drag it to anywhere you want it to be displayed. Okay, so as you can see, we've put 3 cards in this video, you understand? Yeah, so whilst your viewer is watching, it will be displaying there. If the viewer clicks on it, you get a view, you increase your watch hours. It's very, very simple, you understand? And you can also add playlist. Okay, if you don't know playlist, I have a video that I talked about playlist. Okay, you can check it somewhere up here. Okay, yeah, so with the playlist, you can also select playlist. So playlist contains let's say a bundle of videos. Okay, a bundle of videos that is pertaining to a specific topic, you understand? Yeah, so if you come to my channel here, I have 3 playlists. I have YouTube growth, I have social media, I have tutorials. Okay, so for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm gonna use YouTube growth. Okay, yeah, so I've added a playlist to this video, you understand? Yeah, so this is how to create the cards. It is also very, very simple, you understand? Yes, so what we are going to do next is to actually go to YouTube and play this particular video and see if what we did worked. This is the card here. Okay, so once you click on this card, you are going to see the videos here, you understand? Yes, and also let's look at the end screens. Okay, so I hope you can see the end screen on the on my laptop right now. Okay, yeah, so these are the end screen. Okay, so when your viewer clicks on it, it will take you to another video. Okay, and then you are going to get more views, you are going to get more watch hours. Okay, so this is how to add end screens and cards to your videos. Okay, I will suggest that you try to implement some of these stuff on your YouTube. Okay, so that when your viewer watches a video, they will not leave, but rather click on another video through the card or the end screen, and then continue to watch your other videos, and you are going to get your watch hours. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please do me a favor by subscribing to this channel for more content like this. Thank you.